Good afternoon, and what we're looking at here is a Garrard Model 3000 idler driven record changer, and it has been restored. The grease and oil has been removed and relubricated, adjusted. The idler wheel has been resurfaced, and there's been a new magnetic cartridge installed. I don't know whether you can pick up on that. And it works very well. I think I picked this one up because I owned one of these, not the same one, when I was a kid, way back when, and I've always liked it, and I did then what I've done now, and that's remove the ceramic cartridge, install a magnetic one, and it performed very well. So whatever happened to that one, I don't know. At any rate, if you have a little look at the back, because a magnetic cartridge weighs more than a ceramic one, in order to achieve balance, I've added a little counterweight at the back there, which lets it track. I believe I have the tracking at about 4 grams, which is fairly optimal for this kind of record player. So I shall fire it up, and we'll see if we can't make some music. As you can see, it goes through the cycle quite nicely, and I believe I can play this music without a strike, because it's a generic Reader's Digest, I guess it is, produced by RCA in this case. So I can let it play a little bit, and hopefully nobody at YouTube will get excited. Now, I made a base for this, which turned out rather well, with a feature strip along there and a piece on the top, and the deck has been painted black. And as you can tell by the sound and the visual, it's working pretty good. I won't let it play too much, but I'll show you that it does at the end of the record, or when you put it on auto reject, it will pick up and finish, put the tone arm over to the end, set down, and the motor will be turned off. And I don't think I'm going to keep this one. I think I will be selling it. My joy is in restoring these things, not in keeping them. So I will be putting that up for sale on Kijiji, and if anybody's interested, I'm asking $95, which is fairly reasonable for all the effort I put into it, and a new cartridge and stylus, and the idler having been restored. So if you're interested, check it out. Okay, otherwise, enjoy the video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.